we have something special for you. The grant for some ozeta running prosthetics.
Oh my God, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I can't explain how grateful I am for the grant from CAF.
The Challenge Athlete Foundation gave us a grant for a pushchair. I'm so excited!
Thank you, CAF, for this wonderful grant. Should help me cheer for another year.
I was told that you're hoping to make the varsity team as a freshman. Is that true?
Yes, that is true.
The Challenged Athlete Foundation wants to give you a grant to help you achieve your goal.
That's amazing. That's going to help a lot with training and covering league fees.
I'm fully looking forward to possibly going to Paralympic trials.
We'll take a look at this special grant to you.
But CAF is going to give you a grant, my friend, to go for travel expenses so you can get your swole on in the World Championships, brother.
Oh man, that means the world to me, and it won't go to waste. I promise you guys that.
CAF strong, Team CAF.
That's right.
Thank you, CAF. I can't wait to get my new wheelchair. I love you guys.